Damaging winds affect nearly everyone, no matter where you live. In fact, wind damage from severe thunderstorms accounts for half of all severe weather reports in the lower 48 states. That makes wind the #1 reason to choose a roofing system tough enough to qualify for the GAF Windproven Limited Wind Warranty, the industry's first wind warranty to offer you infinite wind speed protection. That's right, infinite wind speeds. Here's why we're so confident, and why you should be too. The Windproven Limited Wind Warranty is powered by our patented LayerLock technology and our strike zone nailing area. As you see here, our DuraGrip sealant pairs with the smooth microgranule surface of the strike zone. Then an asphalt-to-asphalt bond cures for durability, strength, and most importantly, exceptional performance against wind uplift. Protecting your home with Windproven is easy. Start with GAF Shingles with LayerLock Technology and ask your GAF roofing contractor to make it a full GAF system with 4 required GAF accessory roof components. That gives you 5 layers of GAF protection, all designed to work together for maximum wind performance, for a roof that is infinitely greater than the sum of its durable parts.